We're taking a video. Let's go measure the high chair. We're fixing it. Do you have your measuring tape? Wait, let's go measure the high chair. Can you tell me how big it is? We're fixing it.
2 feet.
What is it?
2 feet.
2 feet? Okay, measure this part right here. Measure this part. What is it?
2 feet.
2 feet? That's 2 feet too? What about this part right down here? Measure that. How long is it?
2 feet.
2 feet? That's 2 feet too? Okay, measure this.
What is that?
Hey, can you read me the book, Zoom City? Zoom City and Tow Truck Time. You want to see Declan? Well, it's hard. Here, I'll take a picture.